In this video, we're going to explore the Today and Now functions in Excel. You'll learn how to insert dynamic dates and times into your spreadsheets, making them update automatically. It's a great way to keep your work current and efficient. Let's start by understanding what these functions do. The Today function returns the current date, and it automatically updates whenever you open the Excel file. On the other hand, the Now function returns both the current date and the current time, updating automatically as well. Now let's look at the syntax for the Today function. It's very simple. You just type equals, today, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. That's it. No parameters are required. It's a clean and straightforward way to get the current date. The syntax for the Now function is just as simple. You type equals, now, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. Again, no parameters are needed. This function will return both the current date and time. Here's an example of how these functions look in an Excel worksheet. In cell A1, if you enter the formula equals today, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, the result will be the current date, in this case December 6, 2025. In cell A2, if you enter equals now, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, you'll get the current date and time, such as December 6, 2025, at 14:30 or 2:30 p.m. Where can you use these functions? They're great for reports and documents, providing automatic timestamps for when they were generated. Also, they're very useful for time tracking, logging the current time for various activities and events. What are the key benefits of using Today and Now? First, they auto-update, meaning the values refresh automatically whenever you open the workbook. Second, they eliminate manual entry, saving you time and effort by not requiring you to type in the date or time yourself. In summary, the Today and Now functions provide dynamic timestamps that update automatically in your Excel spreadsheets. They are perfect for reports, logs, and any time-sensitive documents, making your work more efficient and accurate. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.